Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel, and today's episode is just a bit of an update of my 22 Spark build and order and status. So you don't want to miss it, stay tuned. Hey guys, well, there's not much news going on with my 22 Spark. We're hit the 7-week mark since the day I ordered it, just a little bit over 7 weeks. It's like 7 weeks and 3 days to as this video is being produced. So I did email the dealer about a week and a half ago, about 10 days ago, and they still don't have any information from GM to share with me. So I don't have a VIN number or I don't have a build date as of yet, which is not to be surprised. GM told me 12 to 16 weeks. The dealer told me 8 to 12 weeks, and that was kind of on the positive, hoping that the microchip and the production shortages would turn around by then, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. So, looking at the Chevy Spark's website, we do notice that there is no changes. General Motors does not have an update for GM Canada on the 22 model year, especially when it comes to the Spark. So we know that there's some colors that they've changed, and that's the only changes from the 21 to the 22. Pricing hasn't changed. It's still Canada's lowest price point car, and it still comes with a manual transmission and crank windows, which makes it a rarity, and it's what I looked at it and bought it for. So anyway, guys, yeah, there's not much really to update with this video other than saying that we just hit the 7-week mark. Still no information. The dealership, however, did tell me that they were going to email me or call me as soon as they get any new, fresh information on when I can expect it. Everybody's saying the November month I'll get it. I'm looking now probably into December and possibly the new year, especially if these microchip shortages still remain and the company decides to focus its production resources to other assembly lines. The Spark might get affected. It is a low price point car, so they might have to come to the conclusion where maybe some of the microchips that would have gone into the Spark might be more useful into higher price point vehicles. Don't know that. That's just a speculation. We're still in this problem with production where the used car market's going nuts, low inventory, and all the other fun stuff, which is driving used car prices through the roof, and any new vehicle incentives are drying up. A lot of dealers are marking things up due to the supply and demand issue. I'm not the type of person who would pay that. The Spark that I paid the price for is what the price would have been pre-pandemic levels. So it's still under $15,000 out the door Canadian, which is pretty well your most affordable vehicle. The next one up, Mitsubishi Mirage, you're looking at about 14 to 16 for their entry-level vehicle. Again, a great price point to start off with if you're looking for something value. But there's very little under $20,000. I think there's maybe 2 or 3 models that you can choose from. Everything else goes into the 20s, and then it goes up from there. So guys, other than the 22, like I said from previous videos, there's not much changes on GM's website, or there's no changes to the vehicle in terms of mechanical or other types of features. Just the omission of 3 colors and the addition of, I think, 2 or 3 colors that they're adding on. My color that I chose, again, is still a production model that you could have bought in the past, which is that Mystic Blue. Love that nice powdery blue. Think it looks great on the Spark. So guys, anyway, if you're new around here, hit like and subscribe, and I will update you as soon as I get any information on the Chevy Spark. Look for other news coming out. I will produce some videos on winter driving. We're starting to get into the fall and cold, so I'll do some tips and tricks on, dashing through the snow and what we should do to prepare for our cold weather season up here in Canada. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing good, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Cord Eddie Motorsports. Guys, stay loose for now.